designed for reliable outdoor power distribution in commercial, industrial, and infrastructure applications. This 50Hz 3-phase 3-limpad mounted transformer integrates advanced materials, efficient electrical performance, and robust corrosion resistance, constructed with 300 for stainless steel for durability and AC5M corrosion resistance class, complemented by a powder-coated white finish, RAL 9003, that preserves aesthetic integrity and enhances weather protection, while featuring FR3 dielectric fluid for superior fire safety, environmental compatibility, and thermal stability, alongside a dedicated grounding shield and isolation screen grounding sleeve to suppress electromagnetic interference, mitigate partial discharge risks, and ensure reliable insulation, boasting a high efficiency rating of 99.2% to minimize energy loss and a 7.5% short circuit impedance. For effective fault current limitation, it delivers optimized operating capacity across temperature variations for 330 kVA at 45 degrees centigrade and for 075 kVA at 50 degrees centigrade, combining rugged construction, advanced safety features, and consistent performance to meet rigorous operational demands in diverse climatic and environmental conditions.